just got gas. So the pump is new. I think they redid it since the last time I came, because now they have flex fuel on the left and flex fuel premium on the right. The regular ethanol, I don't know what the difference is. The one on the left, the regular, I guess, is $3.67 a gallon. The premium, which I just got, is $5.99. So I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I got the access port. We'll see. I don't know. Again, I'll have to look into it. I don't know what the difference is between premium, but whatever. Car's flex fuel, so it'll adapt accordingly. Well, immediately we're at 56% ethanol. As I was pulling up, I was running pump gas and it was at 10% ethanol. So the fact that it's already, I'm at 58, it's 59, is usually it takes a while for the fuel for the ethanol to be read by the system. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the premium is all about, but whatever, we'll run it. 62. Honestly, anything like above 50, 60%, it's right on the money. So yeah, we're at 63.4. Oh, God, it feels nice on ethanol. 63.7. So I think it'll hover somewhere around there. 63.7. 64.8. Again, anything above 50, 60%. This thing, I mean, you can feel the difference. You can definitely feel that extra torque. So anyways,